What's up, you guys? Today's video is all going to be about Wear Felicity. So they are a bracelet brand that creates custom bracelets. You can change your band color here and the pendants. So they create a bunch of custom bracelets that are happiness and just like positivity and peace. So I have this one here. Mine is a lighter kind of cream color with this gem, and they have so many options to choose from. So whether it's a gift, you're buying it for someone, this is a nice bracelet because it easily goes on and you can layer it with other pieces. Very comfortable and customizable, and the jewelry is great quality. So this embraces life's best moments, and Wear Felicity is the state of being instantly happy and bliss. I just love their message, quality pieces they sell. I love you can customize it. This would be a great gift or for yourself, and you can adjust the piece very easily and layer it or wear it with other pieces. That's what I tend to do because you can easily adjust it. So definitely check them out. I'll link it down below. And